Don't cram past questions. I know most of you must have crammed 2024 past questions for chemistry, physics, biology, and English, thinking that is what they will bring out for you in 2025. That's not how JAMB works. JAMB will never dub a particular question that they asked in 2024 and bring it out again in 2025. No. Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies. So in today's video, I'm going to be answering a particular question that everybody has been asking. That is, sir, how will I score up to 300 in JAMB? Sir, how will I score up to 280 in JAMB? So in this video, I'll be telling you guys certain secrets, certain things that will actually help you meet up with that particular target. That's for those of you that want to score up to 280 to 300. So first of all, I want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to this channel. We are on 7,000 subscribers right now. So if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to like this video and also click on that red subscribe button. We are not just subscribers, all of us are families. So for you to join this family, just click on that red subscribe button. Okay, so let's continue right now. So the number one thing you need to do as you are preparing for your JAMB, if actually you want to score high in JAMB, is learn to study with YouTube. Learn to study with YouTube. Most of you don't know the importance of YouTube. There is nothing in this life that you are searching for that is not on YouTube. Is it projectile? Is it chemical reaction? Is it how to balance equation? Is it how to name organic compounds? Everything that you want to learn, everything is on YouTube. Most of you, sometimes when you want to study something, you'll be like, I don't understand what they are saying in textbook. I don't understand what new school physics textbook is saying. If there is anything you don't understand, if there is any topic that you have issue with, you don't need to start meeting people to ask them to explain to you. Just go on YouTube, search for that topic, and you will see a series of videos on that particular topic. And then when you watch the first video, you don't understand what that person is saying, watch another person's video. Once you don't still understand what that particular person is saying, go to another person. You will see a series of video, and by the time you watch 2 or 3 videos, there is no way you will not start understanding that topic. Hope you understand. Okay, let me say for instance, now we have issue with how to balance chemical equations. All right, now let me show you a video on how to, let me show you an example on how to search for it on YouTube. Okay, so the next thing is, while practicing past questions, stop solving calculations with scientific calculator. You know, when you get to the hall, the only calculator that will be available for you there is calculator that has only addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So start now to practice how to use that calculator. Stop using scientific calculator to solve past questions, because if actually you are using scientific calculator to solve past questions now, you may think, oh, I understand this topic now. Meanwhile, you don't even know how to solve it without calculator. So start now to learn how to use the system calculator. That is the calculator that has only addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Because inside the whole, that is what they will provide you with. That's what they will give you. They will not give you scientific calculator. For instance, now, if you want to solve pH of a particular compound, the calculator will not provide you with log. So you need to start learning how to get the log of a number without scientific calculator. Hope you understand. And that's why YouTube videos is also important. If you want to learn how to find the pH of a particular compound without using scientific calculator, you can just search it on YouTube. YouTube will also provide you with videos on how to do that. That's why YouTube is very important. So start studying with YouTube videos. Like, start watching YouTube videos. Anything you don't understand, just come to YouTube, search for it, and you see videos on that. So the next thing is have a motivation factor. You must have something that is motivating you. It can be, oh, you want to surprise your parents, you want to show your village people that you can do that, you want to do, like, there can be many things that will motivate you. Okay, it might be, oh, I want to be the highest JAMB scorer in my school. Anything can be your motivation. So once you have a particular thing that is motivating you, that will actually fire you to keep on studying. You know, sometimes you want to study today, you'll be very weak. You'll be like, oh, more, let me just rest and start studying tomorrow. So once you have a motivation factor, once you have something that is motivating you, you always feel like studying. Maybe if you want to copy someone, if you want to be the highest JAMB scorer this year, maybe you want to study medicine. You know, to study medicine, you have to score high in JAMB. So I know everybody does not have the same motivation factor. Just drop what your own motivation factor is in the comment section. I want to see everybody's motivation factor, because me also, as I'm in university, I have my own motivation factor. I want to come out with first class. So just drop what your motivation factor is in the comment section. I want to read everybody's motivation factor. Okay, so let's move on. And so the next thing is try to solve as many past questions as possible. I will advise you people to solve from 210 past question to 2024. Make sure you solve all the past question for the 4 courses that you'll be taking. That is for the 4 subjects that you'll be taking. That is if you are going for medicine, you'll be taking English, chemistry, physics, biology. Make sure you solve all the past questions from 2010 to 2024. That's why sometimes when I see those of you that will be going on groups and asking for PDF past questions, that is not how to study. You need to get your own past question, because you need to, okay, maybe after solving 2010 today, and you don't understand something in that 2010, you can always go back to it. You don't need to depend on somebody to be sending you past questions. That's why I said get your own past question. If you don't have textbook, also get your own textbook. You can't keep on borrowing if actually you want to score high in JAMB. That is not possible. You can't score high in JAMB if you keep on borrowing. So you need to have those things you need to have your own, or you can borrow from someone that has already graduated. Just have them for these 3 months that you'll be preparing for JAMB. Just have them with you. Make sure that everything is available with you. Hope you understand. So the next thing is start studying on time. JAMB is in 2 months, or less than 2 months. If actually you have not started studying by now, I don't know how you want to do it, but you still have a small time. Actually, you still have a small time, so you can actually start studying now. Start studying now. You don't have time again. If you don't start on time to prepare, there is no how you score high in JAMB. So for those of you that have seen people that have scored 380 to that have scored them, did I say 380? No, nobody has scored up to 380. But those of you that have seen people that have scored up to 360, you think they just started studying 2 months to JAMB? That is not possible. They obviously started studying immediately they entered SS3. Some of them started studying a year before JAMB. Some of them started studying 2 years before JAMB. Some of them started studying 6 months before JAMB. So if actually you have not started studying by now, just know that something is wrong. Just start studying immediately. As you are watching this video now, start studying. You don't have time again. So the next thing you need to do if you actually want to score high is practice active recall. What is active recall? Let me use an example. Maybe for instance, now you are in the kitchen cooking, or maybe you are eating, and all of a sudden you remember genetics. Just try to see if actually you can remember how to define genetics. Like, you have to say it out, not saying it in your mind. You have to say it out to see if actually you remember how to define it. That's what they call active recall. Anywhere you find yourself, be it in church, be it in school, be it anywhere, just once you remember something immediately, something that you have studied, just try to see if actually you can remember how you studied it. Actually, you still remember what that means. That's what they call active recall. Sometimes you may think you have understood something, then 2 to 3 days, if they ask you a question on that thing again, you can't remember. So that's why active recall is very important, so that you can always keep in check of what you have studied before. Hope you understand. So the next thing is while studying, prevent distractions. Most of you can't stay without your phone for more than 15 minutes. You will study 10 minutes, then you press your phone for 20 minutes. That's not how to study. So anytime you want to study, just drop your phone somewhere else. Drop your phone, or maybe put your phone on silent, so that you don't receive notification from Ogechi or receive notification from Blessing or anybody. Just put your phone on silent, or even switch off your phone and then go to the dining table to study. You can leave your phone in the room, then go to the dining table to study, so that you don't get distracted. Avoid distraction, because from being distracted for 10 minutes, you may say, let me just watch TikTok videos again for the next 30 minutes. That's how you keep on doing that. That's how you end up not studying. And sometimes most of you will sit on a particular spot with your books, and everybody will think you are studying. Meanwhile, they don't know that you are just there watching YouTube videos, watching TikTok videos. That's not how to study. So avoid distractions while studying. Hope you understand. So